What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another video, man. So today, what are we gonna do? I am finally happy to announce that my what I got for the 500 mod subscriber milestone has finally came in. Actually came in, I think, what's today? Saturday, so it came in 2 days ago. Haven't had time to film it. But here we are, man. So I'm gonna actually go and unbox it now. Unfortunately, we're not gonna have time to put it on until maybe probably the week after next, because I got a lot of things to do. So I'm gonna be super busy, and also the guy can't get me in anyway till the following week. So, but we're gonna unbox it now so you guys can see what it is, and some of you guys probably already know what it is, man. By it being that long, I'm pretty sure some of you guys already know. But if not, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Oops. Something just fell off of me because I also got something else. For those of you guys who don't know, man, I know you guys probably like, what you mean 500 subs? You got over 1,000 now. So for those of you guys who don't know, who are new to the channel, every time I hit a certain milestone of subscribers, which this one was for 500 subscribers, because you know about 2 weeks ago I had less than that. But so every time I hit a certain milestone, I'm gonna do something else to the car. So we're at 500. And then I got the ones for the 1,000 as well that's gonna go on right after we put this one on. So that's the reason why I'm saying for the 500 subscribers, is because, like I said, I'm going with, as the subscribers grow, every time I hit a certain milestone, I put a different mod on. As you guys can see, she's out there right now, waiting to do the whole reveal and everything else. She's dirty as hell right now, but that's okay. We're gonna clean her up here in a couple days, probably either later on today or tomorrow. But anyway, so there you go, man. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, see what it is, and then we'll go from there, man. So let's get to it. All right, so as you guys can see, man, I ended up going with I got the ZL1 wicker bill and carbon fiber. Now this one, as you guys will probably see it on the website, but this one goes for about maybe about $150 more than your normal one. And I haven't seen too many of the carbon fiber ones on YouTube anyway. I have seen the regular ones, but not too many of the carbon fiber ones. So I want to go ahead and go with the carbon fiber. I definitely haven't seen it on the Go Mango. So I want to see how, I think this one will look really good, especially going with with the carbon stripes and everything else already. But here's what I need, man. What do you guys think I should do? Should I leave the spoiler flat black the way it is? Or should I paint the spoiler Go Mango, right? Color match, basically color match the body of the car. Go Mango, and then have this carbon fiber outside of it. Or attached to it. I personally think that the body match spoiler with the carbon fiber will make the carbon fiber, will make the wicker bill stand out a little bit more, right? because I think with it like this, I think you lose some of it, you know, the way it stands out. So I think if we body match the if I were to body match the spoiler and then put the wicker bill, the carbon fiber wicker bill, I think it'll make the wicker bill stand out just a little bit more, especially it being carbon fiber. But you guys comment down below, let me know, man, what do you guys think? I think I should do it that way, but we'll see. I think that'll be a real clean look, but you guys let me know. Then it has the stealth glass, so this pretty much goes, you know, right in the middle right here. So after you put the wicker bill, then this goes in the middle, the stealth glass. I don't know if this has like plastic on it or what that you're supposed to peel off, because it's kind of peeling on this side a little bit, if you guys can see that. So I don't know if you guys are supposed to peel it all the way off. I don't know if that's like a little protecting film for it shipping. I don't know. I gotta see that online. Anyway, put that on top of my little stand, as you guys can see. My tripod is a little one, so I don't have a big tripod to put on. So you see, I gotta jerry rig it like MacGyver. Yeah, man. But other than that, let me know. I did get something else as well that I'm just gonna put on here maybe by tomorrow or something. I ended up getting these as well. So these are Billet Technologies 3mm spacers, and I'm gonna put it here because if you kind of see in the back, see how it sinks in a little bit like the back wheel. I don't like that, so I want to put, and I just got the 3mm for now just to see if it pushes out enough, but I like it to be straight body, you know, flush with the fender. I don't like it when it sinks in. So you see how the front wheel pokes out, or you know, kind of like is flush with the body, but the back wheel sinks in. So I'm going to put these 3mm spacers on each side. Hopefully, you know, it'll make it more flush with the body, but we'll see how that goes. I know you could probably do 2 of these on the back to make it 6mm, but I just got the 3mm, so 1 on each side for now, and hopefully that works. If not, then I order another set and pretty much make it 6mm on the back. But I don't know, you know, I want to make sure that you know, it doesn't push it out too much, so that way I'm not sitting on the studs basically, you know, where the wheels doesn't have enough bite basically on the studs, and then, you know, I'm rolling down the highway and my freaking tire falls off. We don't want none of that. But yeah, guys, so other than that, man, I mean, this is pretty much it. Let me show you guys this. I know everybody always talks about it, or if you guys don't know, if you guys are planning on getting one of these, let me tell you, man, a couple people already commented and told me. I haven't done it yet. I'm about to order them this week. You need, one of the first things you need to do is get some different brake pads, man, because this is ridiculous. I mean, look at this wheel. This is maybe 3 days of driving. Look at that. Look at that. That is crazy. This is literally, that's maybe 3 days of driving, and look how much brake dust that is. That is ridiculous, man. And it's all the way on the inside. So when I pull these wheels off, man, I'm gonna have to, you know, clean basically front and back, because that's crazy. But yeah, man, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this stuff up now. I appreciate you guys for checking in, of course. Man, you know how you know when you're enjoying something, when you enjoy something? When you don't do it for a couple days and, you know, you feel like something's missing, right? So that's pretty much what happened here. So I haven't filmed in the last 2 days because I've been busy with, like I said, work and kids, you know, just regular life stuff. And literally, man, that's all I could think about is, man, I need to pick up the camera, and I need to go ahead and, you know, film for you guys, especially after this came in. You know, I'm like, man, I need to make that video. So that just goes to show that, man, I really enjoy doing this. I appreciate you guys all support so far. But yeah, man, this is something I really enjoy doing because, like I said, I know, I could tell, because like I said, when I don't do it for a day or 2 days, man, I just feel like, I need to go out there and make a video. I need to pick up the camera. You know, I need to do something. So, like I said, that's how you know when you enjoy something that much, where if you don't do it for a couple hours or for a day, especially for a day or two, and that's all you can think about, man. So with that being said, man, I gotta stop saying that, man. It's gonna happen one of these days, trust me. But with that, guys, man, I appreciate you guys for checking in. Appreciate all the love and support. Like I said, this is for the 500 subscriber milestone, and I know I'm catching up because, you know, you guys blasted through 1,000 so fast, and I was not expecting it. Was really unexpected. but I appreciate it, right? Like I said, it's a great problem to have. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on as soon as possible. Well, like I said, it won't be next week, but it'll be the week after for sure, early in the week. So we'll get that done, and then right after that, we're gonna get the ones for the 1,000 subscriber. We'll get that done pretty quick as well. That'll probably happen a little bit faster. So pretty much it'll happen back to back. My finger's still dirty, by the way. So yeah, that'll pretty much happen back to back, and then from there we'll set the next milestone for the next thing that's gonna go in the car, man. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, make sure you guys comment down below. What do you guys think, man? Should I body match, paint the spoiler, and then put the carbon fiber worker bill on it, or should I just leave it flat black and then put the carbon fiber worker bill? For me personally, I'm thinking that I'm gonna body match color the spoiler, because then that will make the carbon fiber worker bill stand out just a little bit more. That's what I think. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. Anyway, other than that, man, again, I appreciate you guys checking in. Make sure you guys comment down below, like this video, hit that notification bell, of course, after you subscribe. So make sure you guys subscribe and then hit the notification bell so you guys can see everything that's going to happen. Like I said, I got a lot of plans for this car. As you guys can see, this is pretty much the first mod that's going to go on, like actual mod. Even though it's not a performance mod, but you know, the first modification that'll change the look of the car, other than the window tint. But you know, and then but yeah, so this will be the first mod, and we got plenty more to go, man. Trust me, we're gonna do a lot of things to this car. So appreciate you guys for checking in, and then like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys can follow everything that I'm gonna do. Follow the build. It's going to be very, very, very interesting, and it's going to be super dope, man. Trust me on that. So again, man, appreciate it. And of course, like I always say, man, we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later. And one other thing, because I know people are going to mention this, they're going to say, come on, man, you could just install that yourself. Why are you going to check with somebody to install it? Yes, you are right, but remember, I'm already thinking, and I've already talked to him, and I want him to do for me personally, I want him to do the body match. That's the reason why I said, okay, yeah, I can install it myself, but if I'm gonna have him paint it, I might as well have the guy go ahead and install it as well, being that he's already there, and I know it's gonna come out good and professional pretty much. I also have one more surprise while I was there that's gonna happen to the car that I'm not showing just yet. So basically it's a whole package, so he's gonna do that. What I'm thinking right now is body match the spoiler, put that on, and then there's going to be something else that he's also going to do that I'm not going to reveal. You guys will see it when it's all said and done, and everything is going to pretty much tie in all together, man. So that's the reason why I'm not going to do it myself here in my garage. Yes, I could do it, but that's the reason why I'm not going to do that, because I know there's going to be people out there saying, come on, man, you just put it on yourself, like, you know, whatever, or you're going to pay money to, you know, to have people put it on and all that. I got you, I understand that. If I were only putting that on, then yes, I would just go ahead and do it, but because I got other things going on as well, I might as well just have everything done all at one time. So that's that reason. And with that, my finger's still dirty, kind of. See you guys on the next one, man. Later. Peace.